Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum, all of you, my dear student. In this lecture, we will explore chapter 2, focus on the type of noun. We will begin with the chapter 2, types of ism, marfa and nakra. Marfa means pronoun. Nakra means common noun. Pronouns means specific. Common noun like this: a girl, a boy, and a city. Specific: Maryam, Ibrahim, and Makkah. A common noun can be converted into a proper noun by adding the definite beginning, like this common noun. Example: the girls, the boy, the city. Common noun example: a girls, a boy, a city. In Arabic, al is used to change a common noun into a proper noun. Like this: al, the kitabun, the book. Double san, tanween. Tanween means double is replaced by single san, like this example. Al the kalamun, a pen. Al kalamu, the pen. When a noun begins with a moon letters, like this lam in converted al will be pronouns. Moon letters. So these letters, all letters, moon letters, okay? These moon letters: alif, ba, jim, ha, kha, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, mim, ha, waw, ya. The letter ta, tha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, swad, twad, twa, zwa, lam, and noon. Sun letters. When a noun beginning with a sun letters like this lam in convert al will not be pronounced. Al the kalamun, a pen. Al kalamu, the pen. Al the kitabun, a book. Al kitabu, the book. Sun letter example: al the siratun, a part. Al siratu, the part. Messenger. Al rasulu, the messenger. There are 7 categories of pronoun. Inshallah, next lecture today, inshallah, discuss like this: muzaf, muzaf alayh. So student, exercise, give you any exercise. Your task is to convert the common noun into a proper noun. So student, exercise, I I have give you can exercise your task like this. Assignment is to convert the common noun into proper noun. For example, if we have a messenger, Rasulun, a messenger, so convert common noun into a proper noun. Okay, student, you will convert into a specific name like Rasul, Baytun. We will complete this task like assignment and in our next lecture, inshallah, we will review it. If If you finish the assignment, you can also